Before you bought your last phone, car, or even a cup of coffee, you did a cost benefit analysis and you just didn't know it had a fancy name. Cost benefit analysis, or CBA, is a simple way to compare what you give up with what you gain. In short, it helps you decide, is this worth it? Here is the core idea in one sentence: is what I'm gaining worth what I'm giving up? That's it. That's CBA. Whenever you make a decision, there are things you gain. Those are your benefits. And there are things you lose: money, time, or energy. Those are your costs. CBA is simply the process of laying both sides out clearly so you can make a smarter choice. Let's say you're thinking about going back to college for a 1 year course. Okay, so let's talk about the cost first. You're paying $10,000 in tuition. That's money leaving your pocket right now. But here is the cost most people forget. While you're studying, you are not working. That's $40,000 in lost salary gone for a year. And then there is the stuff you cannot put a number on: the stress, the late nights, and weekends you won't get back. So, yeah, going back to college is going to cost you. Now, let's flip it: the benefits. Once you graduate, you are looking at a salary that's $15,000 higher every single year, not once, every year. And it doesn't stop there. Doors start opening that were closed before. Better companies, better roles, better options. You have more to choose from. And then there is something that's hard to measure but very real. You grow, your confidence goes up, the way you carry yourself changes, the way people see you changes. So ask yourself, will the benefits outweigh the costs over time? If that $15,000 raise kicks in, you break even in about 3 years and profit after that. Suddenly, the decision looks a lot clearer. Here is where most people go wrong. They only count the money, but CBA includes everything: your time, your stress levels, your relationships, even things that are hard to put a number on, like happiness or peace of mind. A job might pay you more but destroy your work life balance. That's a cost. A cheaper apartment might be far from your family. That's a cost too. Good CBA means putting all costs and benefits on the table, not just the ones with a dollar sign. Follow these three steps: list your costs, list your benefits, and compare them. Do the benefits outweigh the costs? If yes, it probably worth it. If no, maybe think twice. Every single day, you make dozens of decisions: what to eat, what to buy, which job to take, which relationship to invest in. CBA won't make those decisions for you, but it gives you a clear lens to see them through. So, next time you are stuck, just ask yourself, what am I gaining? What am I giving up? And is the trade worth it? Master that question, and you'll make better decisions for the rest of your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.